Hi, I'm Ray. I've got a big massive pile of seeds, so what can we sow in August? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Ray. Well, that's another month gone and we're now coming into August, and July was a really hot month and lots of crops have suffered with lack of water, but it's still looking good temperatures and we can start some more sowing and starting some seeds in August. So let me show you what seeds we can sow in August. So the first on our list is lettuce, and we've got all year round lettuce, and we've got red salad bowl. These can be sown right from February through to August, and they can be done in the greenhouse or outside. We've also got some salad leaves, and this is a quick growing from 35 days, ideal for containers and patios. We've got some spinach. We can do spinach. These can be sown July, August, September. And we've got giant winter and Medina, and both of these can be sown outdoors and we get a crop for October. We've got some salad leaves. These can be done from March right through to August. This is an easy, reliable mix of tangy and peppery leaves, spicy salad leaves. And we can do some onions, as long as the temperature's not too high. Lisbon, white Lisbon spring onions. They prefer a bit cooler than 20 degrees, but we can do these outside. Do these in long lines and they'd be ideal. This is one of the most popular varieties for the salad garden. White skimmed, mild flavoured, quick growing. And these can be sown August, September. Now August is one of the last times we can sow chard, and we've got bright lights and rhubarb chard, and we need to get these in as early as possible, and that should be okay just for the end of the month. And we've got some onions, and this is sensoy yellow. This is a heavy yielding variety bred for autumn sowing, so these can be sown August and September, and that would be great, suitable for only autumn sowing for an early harvest. Next we got is turnips. These can be directly sown outside, and once the seedlings appear, within 14 to 21 days they can be thinned out and we get a nice crop of turnips before the end of the year. We've also got radicchino, and this is Palarossa. These can be sown from April right through to August, and we get a harvest around September time. The next we got is some cabbage, and this is spring cabbage, and we've got two varieties here. We've got Wheeler's Imperial, which is mainly grown for spring cabbage, and we've got cabbage spring, April, and this is a superb spring cabbage, compact and ideal for smaller spaces. These can both be sown July and August. We can also do some Chinese kale. This can be sown from April through to September, along with Chinese Wong Bok, April to August, and Pak Choi, and this is red Choi F1, and the red tinged leaves adds colour to salads if picked as a baby leaf. So there's a few vegetables we can do, and if you're doing some flowers, you can do pot marigolds, which is calendulas and cornflowers, and we can start these now in August, September, and they'll be ready for the spring next year. And also forget-me-nots can also be done, along with Californian poppies, and I'll add a link to our link of the video of growing our Californian poppies, so that would be great. So there we go. Let me know in the comments what are you growing for August, and let me know, that'd be great, and we can all interact. That'd be really good. And also, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So I'm going to start doing some more seeds for August. Thank you very much. Cheers.